DM College of Teacher Education DMCTE Imphal kick-started its 48th annual sports meet today. The week-long sports week is organized by Trainees Union of DM College of Teacher Education to showcase hidden talents of the teachers in particular. 4 militants were killed in an encounter with security forces this morning in South Kashmir's Shopian district. According to media reports, the encounter began after a team of security forces including the army, CRPF and the police launched an operation in Manihal village after a tip-off about the presence of militants in the area. A Jammu and Kashmir police spokesperson said 4 bodies were recovered from the site of the encounter. 1 AK-47 rifle and 3 pistols were seized from the slain militants, reports added. An army man was also injured in the gun battle. Security forces have launched a combing operation after the encounter. The police spokesperson said incriminating materials indicated that the 4 men were affiliated to the band Lashkar-e-Taiba. India reported a spike of 46,951 fresh coronavirus cases today, which is once again the highest daily rise of 2021. A day earlier, the country recorded over 43,000 coronavirus cases. India has been recording over 40,000 coronavirus cases every day for the past 4 days, raising concerns of a second COVID-19 wave across several states. Apart from the 46,000 cases, the country has also reported 21,180 recoveries and 212 deaths in the last 24 hours, said the Union Health Ministry. Maharashtra and Delhi are among the 8 states that are witnessing a sharp rise in coronavirus cases over the past week. Manipur registered 3 new COVID-19 cases in the last 24 hours, pushing the total infection tally to 29,335. The state's coronavirus active cases are 29, while the cumulative number of recovered cases is 28,933, according to COVID-19 Common Control Room. The fresh cases are from Imphal East, Imphal West and Kangpopi districts. The recovery rate is 98.62%. The state's death toll remains at 373 for more than a month. Tripura has registered a total of 20 new COVID-19 positive cases in the last 3 days. While 10 people were infected on Friday last, 5 people tested positive for COVID-19 on Saturday and 5 others tested positive yesterday. In the last 1 week, more than 30 people have been infected by the virus. However, the new cases have not been admitted to the hospital and all are being treated in their respective houses in Tripura. An earthquake of 4.1 magnitude struck Nagaon and then another of magnitude 3.1 was felt in Sonitpur. The earthquake of magnitude 4.1 occurred around 5:52 p.m. according to National Center for Seismology. However, no casualties of property damage were reported so far. In continuation with its efforts to develop friendly relation with the locals, troops of Assam Rifles Manipuri Battalion organized a friendly volleyball match under the Fit India movement on Saturday. The match was played between Paurabi Youth Development Club and Assam Rifles.